What's that noise?
That's a bird.
I hear it.
You hear it?
Yes.
What does it sound like?
Hold me, bird.
You want the bird to hold you?
Yes.
You're too big.
Hold me.
You want to fly with the bird?
Yes.
That bird's just too big. And another one.
What's that?
That's a crow.
Cool.
Crow.
Hold me, cold. Hold me.
That crow can't hold you.
Yes, it is.
It'll fly away. And I miss you.
Miss me.
Listen. I think it's up there with the horses. You think it's up there? Think it's up there with them? What is that?
Birds.
No, that's an airplane.
Airplane.
Yeah.
My mom's scared.
Don't be scared.